ബംഗാളിലെ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിൽ ചെറുപ്പക്കാരെ മുൻനിർത്തിയാണ് സിപിഎമ്മിന്റെ പ്രവർത്തനം. പഴയ പ്രൗഢി പൂർണ്ണമായും കൈവിടാത്ത ശ്രീരാംപൂരിൽ ചെങ്കൊടി പിടിക്കാനെത്തുന്നത് ജെഎൻയുവിലെ പഴയ തീപ്പൊരി നേതാവായ ദീക്ഷിത ധറാണ്. ഇടതുപക്ഷം തിരിച്ചു വരുമെന്ന് പറയുകയാണ് ദീക്ഷിത ധർ.
കനലൊരു തരിയുള്ളൂ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ, ഇതാണ് ബംഗാളിലെ ശ്രീരാംപൂരിലെ സിപിഎമ്മിന്റെ സ്ഥാനാർത്ഥിയായിട്ട് ദീക്ഷിത ധർ മത്സരിക്കുകയാണ്. ദീക്ഷിത, what's happening here in election? Is it another resurgence of left in Bengal?
We are trying our level best. There is this binary that if you have to defeat the BJP, you should vote for TMC and the other way around. So our main task here is to ensure that the people are not voting for that binary. People are voting on their agenda, people are voting on their issue. Mukta Karo Bhai, right? Which means that we should let go of our fear. So this is one of our slogan. The main slogan that we are giving this time is Hawk Ruti Ruji Jonotai Puji, which means right, livelihood, and that the people are our capital. There is nothing more than that.
You have completed your studies, means your field studies there in Kerala.
Right.
So I hope you may compare both the parties in Kerala, CPM, and here the left here.
I think of course there are differences. The major difference is since in Kerala you have 5 years of tenure. After every 5 years there's a new government coming. So I think organizationally the party was always in the move. What happened in Bengal that for last 34 years we are in power. We are there in the government. So the kind of organizational churning that happens when you lose, where you try to rebuild, that process was halted for a long period of time. That is our major challenge. That is the major thing which the party has faced. Right now we believe post 2011, if you are going to look into the people that are contesting, the people who are taking the charge of the organization as well, there are a lot of young people who are tested in time. These people didn't come because we are in power. These people didn't come because we are in government. These people came because they are ideologically convinced, they are ideologically motivated. So we believe this is the generation of leadership which is going to be they are going to make a new start for the left movement in Bengal.
Both Modi and Didi, both of them campaigning means very aggressive.
Vigorously, yes.
And how you can depend on.
You can be a supporter of Mamta, you can be a supporter of Modi, you can be a Trinamool or BJP supporter. But if you're a common man, you also have to go and purchase a 1,000 rupee gas. If you're a common man, you also have to go and buy medicine, which have been like fivefold. They're increased. The price has increased 5-4 times. So I believe those are the issues and the kind of unemployment that we are seeing, both in India and in case of Bengal. Even if you're a supporter of Modi or Trinamool, when you see your children, your family members not getting job, young people of my age are committing suicide because of the frustration that they're having for their unemployment. I believe even if you're a supporter of Didi or Modi, you will try to think of a solution, and the solution is us.
പുതിയ ബംഗാൾ, പുതിയ മൂല്യങ്ങൾ, ജനങ്ങളിൽ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട മൂലധനം തിരിച്ചു പിടിക്കുന്നു. മുദ്രാവാക്യങ്ങൾ മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ല സിപിഎമ്മിന്റെ ബംഗാളിൽ. പൊരുതാൻ ഉറച്ചു തന്നെയാണ് പുതു രക്തങ്ങൾ കടന്നു വരുന്നത്. ദീക്ഷിതയെ പോലെ, മീനാക്ഷി മുഖർജിയെ പോലെ. ശ്രീരാംപൂരിൽ നിന്ന് വിനോദിനൊപ്പം കെ മധു, മാതൃഭൂമി ന്യൂസ്.